Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to build passive income with Gumroad. So first things first, what you're going to do is you have to go to Gumroad. And then Gumroad is a platform where you can sell digital products like ebooks, templates, music courses, printables without needing a website, perfect for passive income. So create an account here, start selling. You can create an account using your Google account. You have your options. Once you have your account, go to the left side and look for products. And this is where you're going to add your product. I'm going to show you how to create a digital product. We're going to use Canva. Canva is for free, but I strongly suggest to use or upgrade your plan into Pro. Also, we need ChatGPT. For example, we're going to ask ChatGPT to generate sample titles for our ebook, which is children's book. So I will be asking ChatGPT for titles for our children's book. Select this one right here, copy. And then we're going to ask ChatGPT, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a children's book for me out from this title. And ChatGPT will create one, of course. Now that you have this one, you can now go to Canva. We're going to create our cover photo or cover image for our ebook. So go to designs, look for something related to our title. Don't worry, we can replace this one. So change the title, copy, go back to Canva, paste it right here. For the element, we'll be looking for koala. So go to elements, type koala here, and then go to graphics. You can choose from any of the given below. And then all you have to do is to replace the picture. Okay, so I'm going to select this one right here and then drag it this. And I think this one is perfect. So feel free to edit, add effects, everything is up to you. So to start with your ebook or children's book, just add a page right here. And then here you need to enter the story. Okay, so you can just basically add a text right here, paste the story, like the first paragraph, or everything is up to you. Now paste it right here. Okay, change the font style, font size, also the color if you want. You can do this. You just have to add page, go to design, add design, and then paste all of the stories. Okay, once you're done, once you have created this children's book, which is children's ebook, you can now tap on share and then download this as PDF. Now, once done, you can now go back to Gumroad, and then here you have to enter the title of your children's book. This one is ebook, and then add the price right here, and then proceed. You just have to follow the instruction right here. So you can now proceed, and then this time you can add like thumbnails, images. Okay, you can add your website right here. You can adjust some settings below if you want. And then for content, you can now upload the content here. So just upload the PDF because we will be selling this as ebook. So you're going to upload the PDF here. Okay, and then once you're done, then what you're going to do is tap on the publish and continue. Now you can promote your product to earn passive income to your Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, email newsletter, Reddit, website, or blog. Let it run. Gumroad handles delivery payment and you keep earning every time someone buys. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.